To my YouTube channel. I'm here with my friend Luke in Wichita. I'm not telling you where I live, but shut up. So today we are going to be opening up the Fort Turn Chat. I don't know what it's called, so let's get into it. Shut. Okay, so first thing I get is gold, like always. Second thing I get that. Don't know what that is. An epic. And. Now, thank you for that. And, well, that took half of my money away. So, now let's play a game. So, what's happening right now? My little cousin is eating a bag right now. No, stop that. No, stop. Oh my. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. Didn't mean to startle you, guys. Ooh, right now we are killing this tower. I don't know what this guy is doing here. He does know that a Valkyrie is gonna kill him. And then my Ram Rider is gonna kill you guys, so have fun with that. Okay, right now I am kicking this guy's butt. And yeah. Okay, only reason I did this video was to just open up a chest, so I really didn't have so guys, right, this video is not going to be that long, but it's just nice to get caught up with you guys again. So I told you guys in my last video today that I was not going to do a video. Well, I just like making them. So what we're going to do is we're going to send that out. And what's going to happen is the Ram Rider is going to push. The P.E.K.K.A is going to be the bait. They're going to send in all of that. For no reason. Okay. Ooh, right now this is not doing good. Not doing good, guys. Need all the support I can. Okay. Okay, we got the graveyard back there. Okay. I don't care right now. We're doing decent. And guys, I think we just won. No! We have not won yet, guys. Guys, if we actually lost, nope, we won. We have won. Okay, guys, well, we have to leave, but, this was fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And actually, I'm gonna say this. If you guys can get me to 20 subscribers, I swear to God, I would spend like $50 on something for all of you guys. So, or I would do an activity video. So I just hope you guys will like that and have a good rest of the day.